In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Cosmos' future while talking about atom cost conjecture for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Cosmos. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the particle value forecast and answer questions in the event that Cosmos is a wise venture or not. For what reason will Cosmos succeed or come up short, or for what reason will Cosmos value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Cosmos and its to-date history. What is Cosmos? Cosmos markets itself as a decentralized organization of free equal blockchains, which are controlled by Byzantine shortcoming open-minded agreement calculations like tendermint. Byzantine adaptation to internal failure is an element of one blockchain's agreement calculation, which makes it ready to accomplish agreement in a decentralized climate that might actually contain pernicious agreement checking hubs in it. These blockchains are fit for interoperating with one another through the Cosmos organization, the alleged web of blockchains, additionally alluded to as Cosmos Center Point. It is the first blockchain sent off inside the Cosmos organization, and its primary errand will be to interlink other blockchains in the biological system. Tokens can be moved starting with one zone then onto the next safely and rapidly with the assistance of Cosmos Center Point. Cosmos organization will be based on top of three key parts. 1. Tendermint Center interfaces the system's administration and the agreement layer of the convention under a product execution known as Tendermint Center. Contains the Tendermint BFT agreement calculation and the IBC convention for center point zone correspondence. 2. Application Blockchain Connection Point BFT replication of dApps in various programming dialects. ABCI is language skeptic and empowers designers to construct the application part of their blockchain in any language. Is the associating connection point between Tendermint Center and Cosmos SDK. 3. Cosmos SDK Advancement Asset, otherwise called Base Coin. The basic role of the SDK is to decrease the intricacies in building the ABCI for normal blockchain usefulness and permitting engineers to zero in on adaptable applications inside a normalized structure. Engineers can take this essential edge that is underlying tokens, administration, marking, every one of the fundamental highlights expected of a blockchain, and afterward add wanted functionalities through modules. Fundamentally, the application layer of Cosmos organization. Tendermint Center is liable for the agreement on the Cosmos Center. Blockchains that are associated with the center keep up with their own agreement power without changing to Tendermint. Engineers can fabricate their own blockchains and applications with the assistance of Cosmos SDK and run them on top of the Tendermint Center, just agonizing over the application layer. ABCI utilizes an attachment convention to empower the agreement motor to oversee application state running in another agreement cycle, making Cosmos ready to help a wide assortment of digital forms of money and prearranging dialects like those found in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Zero Cash, CryptoNote, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. About the Tendermint calculation. Tendermint, the fundamental calculation of Cosmos, is the primary transformation of confirmation of stake agreement got from the functional Byzantine shortcoming open-minded calculation presented by Castro and Liskov in 1999. Following a 30 drawn-out research period, EFT-based POS conventions pseudo-haphazardly relegate a validator the option to propose new blocks during a multi-round casting a ballot cycle. This might take a few adjusts, or polkas, before blocks. Cosmos confirmation of stake calculation is a designated one, implying that it is coordinated in such a way where stakers are parted into two gatherings, validators and delegators. Delegators have the undertaking of choosing which validators will get to take a section in the agreement. Validators are there to be a piece of the agreement, approve exchanges, and add new blocks to the chain. The prizes these stakers gain are for the most part acquired in the Atom token, however, in future may likewise be procured in wrapped types of elective digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. In the event that one of the hubs in this framework begins working in a noxious way, it gets cut from the organization and its tokens are removed. Cosmos value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of gigantic industry players into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and crucial evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. 2022-12-01 plus 2.64% $9.33. 2022-12-02 3.72% $8 75 2022 1203 1.94% $8 91 2022 1204 5.34% $8 61 2022 1205 3.33% $8 79 2022 1206 0.79% $9 02 2022 1207 3.88% $8 74 2022 1208 plus 1.46% $9 22 2022 1209 0.36% $9 06 2022 1210 6.00% $8.55 Cosmos Value Forecast 2022 High expansion and very risky large-scale circumstance thought about vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the interior crypto issues with large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively great for the bulls. We will presumably see a great deal of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Forecast model brings market feeling into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2022 DEC 12.68% $7.94 2023 Jan 28.52% $6.50 2023 Feb 17.11% $7.54 2023 Blemish 10.24% $8.16 2023 APRA 1.02% $9 2023 May plus 2.18% $9.29 2023 Jun, plus 16.19% $10.56 2023 Joel, plus 22.19% $11.11 2023 Aug, plus 27.92% $11.63 2023 Set, plus 42.31% $12.94 2023 Aug, plus 40.75% $12.80 2023 Na, plus 54